hear
Yep.
beep.
All right, Eleanor.
So
Not anything
No.
over here.
You can just set it up in that box. I know that's not a deep, but it'll sit. She only had
There's
like
nothing going
2
on here.
frames
Just scoot
worth
it down.
of bees.
The wood smells really good.
Nothing going on here.
Now we're getting to the real good stuff.
All right. So that's one of the frames that came with the nuke.
You can tell the leakage. See how they're more yellow from the syrup?
But the syrup was up here.
Oh. So she only had. This is our first time in them since getting them, right?
Yes.
Okay. She'll be marked with a blue dot. Let's see. What do we have here?
Probably making more than do that.
Oh, yeah, you definitely are. Oh, good. They're starting to pull. Okay. Hold on. I'm going to see, or let Mark see.
I'll put it in the spare box up top.
Just pollen. I don't think oh, are those?
Drone
Yeah.
here.
Yeah. Here, kind of move some of the girls there in the middle. Do you see any eggs or anything in? So there's some capped. See any replenishing?
See me on that side yet. That side's just empty.
I'm not too happy with what I see so far, but
Do you want this one or want me to put
Yeah.
it back?
Got it.
do you see any eggs or larvae?
I'll let you know how much we take back right to it.
I saw a drone. Rude. Excuse me, excuse me.
There's some larvae down here at the bottom.
Okay. Mama will have a blue dot. All of these are marked queens.
I haven't seen a blue dot yet.
What do you think about this?
Oh, uh-oh. That's a queen cell and it's capped.
What?
I wonder if they're like, Mom's not doing good.
Oh,
Oh.
we'll see. Mom's
Hold on.
right here.
Oh, where? She is.
Oh,
Right
hello. Yep. How did
I
you
don't
miss that?
Frame 3.
Do we go ahead?
Now, just keep going through the box. Let's see what else we find.
There's some capped honey on this corner. Drone bird.
What's the other side look like? Can I see it?
Yep. More honey.
Because if Mom's not keeping up, they may be like, we need
a
to
different
replace
queen.
her. Because was that more in the middle? Because,
The queen cell,
yeah.
it's at the bottom of the frame. It's more like a swarm cell. It wasn't hanging off the bottom, but
Yeah.
it doesn't look like a super sneaky cell. Larva, there's the young larva up here.
There's
I
some
almost
larvae
say
in here.
we destroy that.
We probably will, but we won't
And-
make a decision until we're
Oh, I
done
know.
with the frame.
I agree.
Do you want this one to go back in, or does he want to look
I
at it?
think
grab it.
he probably wants to look at it.
Okay.
He's become a super inspector.
'Cause Mama's on here, so we should probably put
That one back
Her
in.
back.
the locator with where I. Yeah, there she is. So she. Just got it. There's 2 empties, then it was these up here, then Mama. Got it.
They're pulling pretty good on the back because most of her frames, a couple of her frames didn't have anything. There were 2 that had brood. Nothing going on here. Except for a big old drone.
Big old drone. I was gonna say the same
They're
thing.
starting to pull. Oh, there's a queen cell. Is it charged? Is there anything in that cup?
Where?
Right there.
Oh. Excuse.
Is there anything in it?
Yep.
Is
A
there?
little egg.
Okay, so
There's a drone about to emerge over here.
Tiny little, the little grain of rice thing.
yep.
Yep.
So
Something's going on with Mom.
something, because babe over here is a super. What's it called? A supersedure. Yeah. So they're wanting to replace Mom. They're not happy with her. Maybe we just let it happen, or give her more time.
I think we knock them down and give them more time.
Okay.
Let's slide this one out here.
You kept the one out with the
Queen
queen cell, right?
No, that's the one Mom was on.
Oh, okay. So we'll need to get Mom back out. All right, then do you want to smash that? Because it has a.
Here's another high tool I can get.
Okay.
All right. Next. You're still on my face.
I know, things are itching me.
See, I don't think the last 2 really have anything.
Yeah, there's some light.
Yeah, it's in the middle of the frame, but there's no comb underneath it.
I'm just gonna smush.
Yeah, I'm going to.
Yeah.
That might. I know it's in the middle of the frame, so you think it's super easy. It could be a swarm.
Holy moly! Oh my gosh.
Underneath it.
Lots of honey.
So
That
heavy.
one she had one that had a ton of resources, and it's probably.
Oh, my ear itches.
Yeah, that is. Ton of nectar.
It's so heavy.
Same thing here, no brood. You would think in the week we've had her, she would have produced a lot more brood. And then there's nothing on those other ones, right?
Right.
Okay.
They are totally empty.
Because this was one of the hives that came, or sorry, one of the frames that came in that nuke,
Yep.
and this is a week later.
Yeah.
Like it was almost a bare frame.
Like, and it still looks very bare.
Come on, Queens. What should we replace?
That's weird because this hive, out of all 3 of them, have been the one that's been more active
Yeah.
on the foraging.
Find Mama and kill the supersedure. We'll give her another couple of weeks and
Well,
see.
it'll be almost 2 weeks.
How long does it take for them to?
Rear queen,
Yeah.
like almost 20 days.
Okay.
I'm gonna look this over just a little bit closer.
Okay. Is Mama on there?
I don't see her on this side. bottom frames.
Okay. Yep, she's on this frame. Laying her little booty in, laying an egg. See how chill they all are? Like,
yeah, it's really wild.
so chill.
There's a decent amount of larvae, young larvae in here.
Okay. Maybe it just took her a little while. Maybe she had just been mated. And they're like, speed it up, woman, we're gonna replace you. Your job is to lay eggs and you're not doing it fast enough. All right, kill this procedure. Is that a beetle?
It might have been one that they propolised away, or a tick.
Okay, get it out of there. It fell.
I'm pretty sure it was dead.
Are there two of them right there?
Yeah.
Wow.
Don't squish them, take them off. I want to open them and look inside of them.
Good larvae in there. They are backfilling the brood pretty heavy with nectar.
Well, she's definitely got. Well, they have to pull the comb before she has anything to lay in.
I don't know.
Do we have any pulled deeps?
I don't think so.
Like, no, you're taking our new mom.
Want some royal jelly for your face?
That is a thing.
Pretty much anything bees produce, there's some use that
Yeah.
we could have for them.
Do you want me to how do you want to look at it?
Just set it over here on the table. I'll take it in. Let me see. Yeah. Did you get both of them?
Yeah. that's both.
Yeah, this is the two of them. Looks like cereal.
Soggy cereal.
Yeah.
All right.
Alright.
So I wish there was more
More progress.
But she's still laying. There's still brood. I mean, the whole brood cycle's there.
Yeah. And she
So-
looks small. I'm thinking she's just a young queen.
I think.
Because did you see how small her abdomen was?
She just needs to be given a chance.
Some people mature slower than others. Edna, our next one, was the biggest one. We opened it and they didn't come at us, but they just lifted up into the air and it was like a tornado of bees everywhere. Nobody was trying to hurt us. Nobody was even bothering us. They were just ready to get out of that box.
Wow.
Okay. We are going to put
A feeder in her.
2-frame deep feeder in this one. So
Okay.
here's one frame that's coming
I'm gonna
out.
grab another one.
They are getting